Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing another proof video on our trade lines posting. Now, this particular profile is kind of unique. This has six primaries actually, and 2 authorized user trade lines. This is a CPN. We created this a CPN profile again with 2 AUs. Here, 25,000. Perfect pay history. Another one here is a USAA. USAA is a credit union. Tends to post on all 3 bureaus. 21,000 perfect pay history. Never late authorized user. So these are 2 AUs, and then we have the 6 booster primaries that we're now doing on CPNs and personal profiles too. These are actually primaries. It does make the file stronger. Takes about 2 to 3 days for these things to post. So there you have it. This is our primary with 2 AU files. It's very powerful in trying to establish credit. We do have the apartment packages too, with 1 authorized user. This particular person wanted to try and get some kind of credit cards or a car or something. So we put some primaries on here. We put some AUs that can go a long way in getting establishing credit. A lot of our apartment packages are designed for apartments only. This one can be used for credit as well. There you have it. This is another one of our successful profiles with authorized user trade lines. We have over 400 authorized user trade lines posted on a regular basis. You can get on our list at tradelines.biz or call for a free consultation at 202-213-2218. We can explain to you how these packages work. If you need an apartment, a car, credit cards, we can help you there. We do business funding as well as credit repairs. We kind of do all things credit related. And we offer a free consultation on your profile or in building a new profile. We have older trade lines as old as 35 years old that give a significant boost to a profile, sometimes up to over 100 points. Call to find out more information about that as well. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button for our updates on any questions credit related. But again, we do these about 3 times a month, just to show our trade lines are still posting and that we do what we say as far as our trade lines. And again, we have the primaries now, 6 primaries we can put on your profile that can really make it strong. Call for details about that. Thank you. Have a great day.